baramugonga bahita bayimwiba bamwibiye mu gafuka bamwibira mu maninja amaninja aramusatse umugabo drive barayimucomoye barupita yagengeye Nyagasani umugabo barayimwibye drive barayishubije feri ya mbere dore ngiyi baje kuyikoraho ubushakashatsi barebe
systems.
Iyi system.
These algorithms are
iyi algorithm yabo ibirenze uburyo nigeze mbona.
Zero day data sets.
Ifite zero day data.
Encryption systems. I mean, so this is
byamucanze.
Poetic.
Yipori ririnze pe.
Why would your agency get the drive? What does it matter? We hand it over, we're done.
Reka dufate no drive tuyishyire agency yacu twitahe.
What's this man? Come on, trust me.
Yizera.
I knew you'd get it done.
Nari mbise ko muri bikora feri ya mbere bahise bayizanira umuyobozi wa CIA Gabi ku bicere.
Accommodations waiting for you back home.
Mwese ngiye guhamagara agents zanyu mbabwire ko CIA ya drive mwayidushikirije ibintu bimeze neza. Urumva intwaro nk'iri iri mu maboko nyine y'ikigo cy'ubutasi cya Amerika ntako yakoreshwa nabi. Ikigo cy'ubutasi cya Amerika ubwo nyine na Amerika n'ubundi bifite ibindi bitwaro bya kirimbuzo ntabwo yajya kwica abantu. Abamaze kurangiza akazi kabo drive n'ubundi bayihaye umuyobozi wa CIA rwe Gabi ku biceriye bahise baza kwinywera urwunge.
I remember my first time.
Ndibuka bwa mbere nk'urwunge.
Early a year out of the army.
Ngiva mu gisirikare bwa mbere. Banyoreje muri Pakistan.
Detection run in Pindi.
Tiburinda umuntu witwa Pindi.
I had someone on me.
Hari umuntu wankurikiye. Ngira ubwoba.
Roads are total darkness, stuff coming.
Imihanda muri hari ahantu yari yijimye. Ku kanya
I went 35 miles an hour straight into a cow.
Ndikwirukanga cyane imodoka ngonga inka.
What about the cow?
Wakonze inka.
My first official agency kill.
Bega umuntu wa mbere nishe ndi mu kazi ka CIA ni inka yagonze inka.
Your first time.
We bwa mbere wica umuntu ryari.
Want to hear about
it? Yes, nshaka kubyumva.
I hear about it.
Zivuge.
Last.
Tubwire. Sawa.
I was tracing intel on a
nari ndi gukurura amakuru muri telefone.
It to a detention site in a
y'umugabo muri Afghanistan.
Didn't make any sense because
byari bisobanutse.
Exactly allow phones in there. So
kuko ahantu bari nta telefone zinjiragamo.
There's this one a gentleman who
has umugabo
hidden it in a secure location.
Wari wisha ahantu hatekanye cyane.
In his bum.
Biba ngombwa ko agapfunyika twashakaga yari yagahishe mu gatafari ke.
Nokia 8850.
Yari Nokia 8850. Yari yahishe mu kibuno cye niho nayikuye.
Emanated from that chip.
Wumve misiyo ya mbere nakoze nkijya rwose gukora MI6.
Ever since.
Kweri icyo gihe nacyagenda na sanitizer yo kugenda yihanagura bitewe n'ahantu yakuye telefone. Bajya ku mudage nawo babwire bwa mbere ajya kuri misiyo.
We showed you ours.
Twakweretse ibyacu.
Name, age, nationality.
Igihugu, imyaka, amazina nawe tubwire. Ni umudage.
Walter.
Banyita Walter.
He was German and
papa wanjye ari umudage. Cyane afite imyaka 15. Ufite imyaka 15?
He came down the stairs from my room.
Yamanutse kuri escalier mu cyumba cyanjye.
Speak Russian.
Numva papa wanjye ari kuvugana n'abantu ikirusiya.
Never knew he could speak.
Ntabwo nari ko papa wanjye azi ikirusiya.
I didn't know those men were KGB, but
ntabwo nari nzi ko abantu baje kureba papa wanjye bakoreraga KGB. Papa yari umutasi w'ubudage.
Blood of his hands and
mbona papa afite amaraso mu ntoki.
Body on the floor.
Mbona hari umuntu yishe.
So you turned in your own file.
Uragije papa wita umufungisha. Yego niyo misiyo ya mbere nakoze no gufungisha papa ko yishe umuntu.
Are you in therapy?
Nori se ugihura n'abaganga bakakuvura bakakwitaho. Ahubwo ndabakeneye. Nyagasani.
I think you should.
Urabizi urabakeneye ko.
This is no consolation.
Nubwo nzi ko nagiye gufata umugongo ariko.
Without a doubt.
Nta gushidikanya guhari.
The most screwed up of us all.
Niwe numva huye n'ibibazo byinshi birenze ibyacu pe. Niwe zumiye. Bose akazi bagiye bakora kambere bakavuze uyu niwe wenyine wakoze akazi kabi. Yafungishije se. Urabizi?
All for you.
Mwese ngiye kubagurira amacupa y'urugungi. Barakwerekaga bari hakurino. Uyu ni umuyobozi wa CIA. Hakuri n'akazi aragasuje. Arasimye. Tarajya kure. Kura y'imbunda. To! Nyuma ye! Cyawe kiwe! Hey! Mama we! Mukubitaguye. Urebe uyu mugore.
I'm not here for you.
Ntabwo ari we nje kureba. Sasu. Indege esheshatu guzamanutse mu kirere. Wizamura fori muri kwibona. indege nyinshi zagiye zimanuka mu kirere iperereza n'ubu racyakorwa ngo tumenye byagenze bite wari ubitse ya drive bayimwambuye muri Lisbon indege nanone naho yamanutse abantu bari kwibaza ngo gute indege zimanuka ari nyinshi mu kirere bose bari bonye ubona ko ikiri kubikora ari ya drive indege nyinshi harimo n'izaburiwe irengero tutazi aho zaguye ariko zamanutse kongera kuri urabizi yanuzana n'ubwo bari kuyibona ya drive bari kugerageza gukura bare banerere ntabwo bari kuyibona bahita baza hano bareba uwo bayisigiye ni Gabi yo ku biceri iriya drive iri kumaruna indege niwe bayisigiye gusa twabonye bamwataka ari hano Gabi bamwatatse Gabi yatatswe Gracie yinjira hano
Gracie, lock the door.
Kinga umuryango Gracie kinga rebe iza gusakana
The drive's gone.
drive yagiye katururi rebe ku drive yagiye
We have something.
ari cyo dufite hano
What?
igiki
Company.
hari abatuziye rebe
They're already here.
bamaze kuhagera muri filime bakobwa bose bahita bafata akavari baritsimba urebe drive bayitwaye binjiye gutyo
We didn't.
Mace
We found him dead.
dusanze yapfuye shyira imbunda zawe hasi barukumbe n'abasiyaye binjiye
Making a big mistake.
ni gukora ikosa rikomeye
we ever made was not putting you in a cage when we had the chance.
ikosa rya mbere twakoze ni ukutagufunga dufite amahirwe basi ko nyine uno wasiyaye ari we wagambanye n'umukobwa
Investigating you, and now he's dead. And you happen to be standing with the very people who killed your teammate.
uhagararanye n'abantu bishe abantu mukorana
What's my motive?
I don't know.
kubera iyihe mpamvu se
Money.
hari n'amafaranga
I don't care.
ntabwo byitayeho
Your
we
guns down.
shyira imbunda zawe hasi bano siyaye nabo utangiye kutabizera
It's out on the street.
I counted 6.
ngiye kubara gatandatu
But thanks for the tip.
do bana bagukubitiye abasirikare kubita abasirikare mu mwijima do bitekuye amashanyarazi gato
You have no idea how much goddamn.
wa mugore ntabwo uzi ibibazo uri kwishyiramo
Yeah, I do.
ndabizi akubita abasirikare ba CIA bagenzi be CIA yatangiye kubashidikanyaho nimba rero batumye drive bo bari bayerejega bakabapfuye umuyobozi wa CIA wabisobanura ute
I cannot do this anymore.
bino bintu ngiye ntabwo nakomeza kubikora
Children, and I'm going home.
mfite abana babiri ngiye kwitahira wumve
Move.
I am a normal person.
genda umuntu usanzwe mva kandi
I'm not made for this, I told you.
Listen to me, Grazie. There are 6 officers coming up the stairs right now. When they blow through that door, you do not want to be on the other side of it.
katururi kwereka kurino
Check the bodies.
urebe iyo mirambo
They're alive.
ni bazima
They're not in here.
aba nabo ni abasiyaye ntabwo barimo hano
Clear.
sawa bahise baza guhindura purake ya kunino drive iragiye
Das letzte Mal, dass wir den Drive hatten, haben ihn der CIA übergeben. Wir brauchen eine Exfiltration, Jonas.
Warum hast du ihn den Amerikanern gegeben?
Die waren uns am nächsten. Die waren vor Ort.
Uns. Wann hast du da angefangen, Leuten zu vertrauen?
twari turi kumwe sasa kuva ryari utangiye kwizera abantu yahamagaye ku biro by'ubushinzwe ubutasi nanone mu budage
Ja.
Erzähl mir genau, was passiert.
bwira byagenze bite
Für jedes Detail.
detaye zose
Wissen kann.
kugira ngo ngufashe yahamagaye abadage
Bist du?
Warum?
uri he kubera iki
Das ist nicht wichtig.
cyose icyo cy'ingenzi kumva ari kumwe n'abantu bari kumwumviriza
Wo du bist.
cy'ingenzi naho uri
Bist und wie wir dich da wieder rausholen.
turashaka kuhagukura tubwira aho uri ni abadage
40 Sekunden.
amasegonda 40 buri uri kuyambarira
40 Sekunden um einen Anruf.
amasegonda 40 kugira ngo mukure telefone yanjye turi kuyivugira mumenye aho undi iyo umuntu akuvugisha amasegonda arenze 40 n'abashinzwe umutekano baba bamaze kugukurura bamenya aho uri
Vielleicht doch zu wenig.
Wie kannst du dir vorstellen, dass
ese urakeka kuko naba nagambanira ikigo cyacu jewe
Ich konnte mir das bei deinem Vater auch nie vorstellen.
na papa we ntabwo nari nzi ko yatugambanira ashaka akorera KGB yakore njye sindi papa
du schon lange nicht?
kandi nawe ni uko
Auf Wiedersehen, Jonas.
urabeho Jonas ahita azimya telefone arumva abadage kurira batangiye kutamwizera uyu je wa CIA nawe ba CIA ikigo cyamutumye ntabwo kiri kumwizera mu kanya cyari kimufunze bose bigaragara ko agents zabo zatangiye kubakuraho amaboko
Your boss.
He did what they all do.
Boss wakoze nk'ibyo n'abacu bakora. Uri muri control.
Are you?
Ahubwo wowe. Api. Ntayo ndimo. Bose ibigo bakoreraga bisa nkaho byabakuyeho amaboko. Ubu bari kwikorana ku giti cyabo.
So now what?
None dukora iki?
No information.
Nta makuru dufite?
How do we go forward?
Turakomeza dute?
We
Turakora iki?
forward.
Ntago dukomeza.
We go back.
Dusubiraho twavuye ahubwo. Ntago dukomeza dusubiraho twavuye. Tugaruke muri Maroc. Muri Maroc barakwereka kakagabo twigeze kubona kare. Bigeze guhereza ya drive bakibye. Kandi kakandi bibye drive. Kakandi bayibye. Shara hasi.
Tukuni!
Ikagenda.
Khruju min dari
Arabatuka.
club.
He.
He declines.
Yanze gusubiza.
That is not what I said.
Ibyo naga ari byo mvuze ariko.
Speak English, great. And
Kumbuzi n'icyongereza ke none reka tuganire.
that somebody's protecting you. There are two ways we can go about
Hari
the
uburyo bino bintu biri bukemuke.
outcome.
Ariko ikivamo ni kimwe.
Get what we want.
Turabona icyo dushaka.
The easy way,
Turabikora mu buryo bworoshye.
the hard way.
Cyangwa tubikore mu buryo bugoye.
We
Wihitamo.
care about the cause, you just care about the cash.
Twe nta kindi twitayeho cyo dushaka nta n'amafaranga twitayeho.
Caught. So it's just us, right here, right now. We are the only ones who can help you.
Twebwe ubona imbere yawe nitwe twenyine twagufasha.
That Allah says about killing a believer.
Allah uzi icyo avuga ku bantu bica inzirakarengane cyangwa bizera.
His recompense is hell, where he will.
Abica inzirakarengane bazabikuza imiteka.
Is very dangerous. Many people will.
Kariya gapfunyika udashaka tubona watanze udashaka utubwiraho kari.
People.
Ni wa mundi bakebye kari. Inzirakarengane nyinshi ziraza kukazira.
Cannot tell you that.
Haka ibyo nabibabwiraho kari.
Okay. Story time's over.
Sasa umudage ahita amurasa mu kaguru. Agasani. Umudage ni umusazi. Randashe. Umudage nta mikino afite.
Femoral artery.
Urashaka umutsi wihuta cyane.
About 2 minutes.
Mu minota 2 amaraso arabagushize mupfe.
No.
If we put that tourniquet on it, you'll live.
Nituramuka tukuziritse uraza kubaho. Nitutakuzirika amaraso aragushira mupfe.
Please,
Urebe.
save me, please.
I won't be a part of this.
Giye bino ntago mbirimo.
Going to feel dizzy.
Utangiye kumva isereri.
You kill me, you have nothing.
Nimunyica ntacyo muri bone. Ibyo nibyo.
But if you live, we all.
Ariko nunabaho n'ubundi ntacyo turi bone.
Based on those two options.
Rero amahitamo
Do
nabi.
you mean to die for this?
Yesu urashaka gupfirira ibanga.
You're about to lose consciousness.
Nutangira kubona ibiyezi umenye ko ugiye kugwa igihumuro ugiye gupfa. Ndababwira.
There is an auction in 2 days.
Hari ipiganwa rigiye kuba. Ibyo biti murikagurishwa. Oya ntago ari ryo murikagurishwa. Ni ipiganwa. Cyamunara, hari cyamunara rigiye kuba mu minsi 2.
People want what it can do. Now everybody wants it.
Where's the auction?
Iryo piganwa rirabera muri Shanghai.
In a auction house.
Muri action house.
Please.
Muri were.
Oh, please.
Ababwiye bahita bamuzirika amaraso atavari menshi. Bamenye ko ari cyamunara ribuze kuba mu minsi 2.
You should have picked the easy way.
Wakabaye wahisemo inzira yoroshye, wahisemo inzira
We
igoye.
had a team of men there.
Dufite ikipe y'abasore hariya.
Are you telling
Batwijije ko bari buyizane.
package to her?
Urabwira ngo wabuze agapfunyika gute? Hejuru y'abagore ngo bagatwaye.
Nick eye to Wall Street. I want those women dead.
Abo bagore mu bice.
I'm in my hand.
Iyo drive ndayishaka mu biganza byanjye ni wa mugabo twatangiranye filime n'ubundi ahigiriya drive. Urebe bidatinze barabahise bafata indege yihuse. Berekere mu Bushinwa kuko ngo mu minsi 2 haraza kubera cyamunara. Iyo cyamunara nibuze kugurishirizwamo ngo kiriya gikoresho iriya drive.
National hazard.
Ndege
Like a family vacation.
tumeze nka ya vacancy ya famille rwose.
No.
Sinzi.
Me neither.
Mu ndege.
Some rest. You'll need it.
Ruhuka uraza kubikenera. Muri yuzi ko ufite akazi kenshi uraruhuka bagiye mu Bushinwa. Ahabereye iryo piganirwa. Cyase cyamunara. Ibaza hano ariko bari gupiganirwa kugura intwaro nk'iriya Shanghai, China. Twamaze kugera mu Bushinwa. Yo.
Por este trabajo no es como los otros.
Kano kazi ntabwo kameze nk'uzundi tuzisheriye.
Infectante para las manos para después del partido.
Nyuma y'umukino abana uze kuba sanitizer bikara mu ntoki.
Asegúrate que se hacen leche. No lo sé.
Abana kandi ubahe na ice cream ndagukunda cyane ni wa mugore bafite abana bari guhamagara. Bari abagore bandi bari kumwe nawe ni abambasaderi babona po. Ni ba brand ambassador. Nta abana bagira. Barabyanze.
Been sleeping well.
Sheri wanjye ngamaze iminsi ataryama neza ntahari.
That's real love, huh?
Tumva ari urukundo rwa nyarwo.
Your life, Mace.
No buzima bwa nyabwo bwo Messi.
Never has to deal with real life.
James Bond ariko katajyaga agira ubuzima busanzwe.
End up alone.
James Bond iteka birangira ari wenyine uyu nawe nimaniye ku Bwongereza ubwo nawe ni nka James Bond.
Thank you.
Bamukubitaga kawe.
Coffee?
fata
Okay, here's the plan.
umupangu rero nukumeze
Up for the auction.
bamaze gutegura cyamunara
All sides. The best way.
abashinzwe umutekano baraza kuba ari impande zose urebe
There is a closed system
systeme hano biraza kubifunza
for access.
biraza gusaba ko mpagera ngewe ndimo indani nkabikurikirana dore abagore ukuntu binjira
Power, security.
mwese ndaza kubakubita imikufe
The way through.
iri buze kuba ibereka kamera amashusho amajwi biraza kuba biri muri iyo mikufe mufite imbere yanyu n'amaherena abagore nuko binjiye ahabereye ya cyamunara
How do we
uko binjiye
I can get us on the list.
mwese ndaza kubashyira kuri lisite y'abinjira bose baje gutyo yitwa Anderson uyu mugore aba yinjiye muri system amazina yabo akayashyiramo kuri lisite y'abinjira
It's a legitimate auction for ancient art and artifacts.
bari kujijisha nubwo bagiye kugurisha intwaro ariko bajijishije ko ari cyamunara yo kugura ibintu nyine by'ubugeni imitako bya bintu by'abartiste nyine.
That's where the real bidding for the drive will be taking place. That drive will be hidden in one of the items for sale.
Which one?
I don't know yet. So we'll have to rely on your
mwese ni mukiramo indani biraza kubasaba gukoresha ubumenyi bwanyu
to make new friends to ID the item.
This list is like half the CIA.
biraza kudusaba kumenya igikoresho barizo kugurishamo hano kiri buze kuba kirimo iriya drive kuko hano ngo haraza kuba hari kugurishwa ibintu bimeze nk'iby'ubugeni ibibumbano imitako ariko muri iyo mitako imwe muri iyo haraza kuba harimo iki harimo ya drive rebe uyayita zan rebe upita hey rebe upita cyuriramo hejuru nahabereye iryamurika ntago ari muri kagurisha ni cyamunara yeah son
Okay, I'm in position.
kinageze muri position tayari yagezemo tangira kuba hacking arebe bimeze bite
We're here, between the two statues.
hano hari umugabo ndi kubona
Olsen is focusing too much on that program.
ndabona ari kwibanda kuri iriya porogaramu asoma ibitabo byiri kuri bivuga kuri iriya porogaramu
I'll spill my drink on
kugira ngo bamenye nyine ibyo ruze reka mumeneho icyo kunywa
enemy agent. Ooh, my favorite dress.
uriba kumenaho sasa icyo kunywa turi ipari ibuke bamenye icyayi uyu nawe amena inzoga ku musaza w'abandi bahita bamwiba amadosiye ye hey garasi yari hano uyu niwe musiviri barimo ikindi kumva nanameze neza ibiherena biri kumbangamira
A woman such as yourself should never be alone.
umugore mwiza nkawe ntabwo yakabaye ari wenyine bya bigabo biheheta
Grassy, say thank you. Flirt.
mushimire utangire umuterete
I'm not good at flirting.
bya bintu byo gutereta abagabo no kubarishya simbishoboye
Okay, your friend's name is Piotr
uwo
Kasan.
mugabo amwita Piotr
Elena, just
ni umunyemiliyari ze wo muri Checheni
think of it as deduction.
none ntubibare nkaho uri kumureshya basi ubibare nk'umurwayi ukuri imbere ugiye kuvura si uri umuganga uyu ni umuganga
You here? Are you a collector of art?
kuri hano nawe uri muri ba bantu bakunda kugura ibishushanyo cyangwa se ibintu by'ubugeni bakabibika mu nzu zabo oya ngiye ngura ibintu byinshi nkabitwara urebe umudage aza hano arebe umudage fata cya gitabo cyari kigusumbwa n'uriya mugabo asukaho agafari buriya mugabo ahantu yagiye akora kuri kiriya gipapuro paje yagiye asoma bano bagabo ni abagizi ba nabi benshi bari hano abenshi bari gushaka kugura iriya ntwaro baje kuyipiganirwa
Just checking something out.
rebe
He didn't get past the third page.
ntabwo yigeze asoma paje irenze ya gatatu
That page, Grassy.
bivuze ngo cya ikibumbano kiri muri izo paje eshatu nicyo bari buze kuzanamo iki cya gishushanyo
Too boring, no surprises.
ngiye kugura ibintu by'ibitaburo mba mbona bitarenze
Ancient weapons.
kunda kugura intwaro za kera se
Like a man of the future.
ko mbona usa nk'umugabo w'ahazaza
I have a feeling you have enough weapons already.
ngiye bundi nkina kureba nabonye ufite intwaro zihagije
Boss.
harya ngo witwa ndi aba bagabo bari hano ntabwo ari abagabo basanzwe
I thought you liked surprises.
natekereje ko ukunda siripurize
Which means an antique mirror.
bisobanuye ko ngiye ndiyandirirwamo ya kera
You already know what you're gonna see in it.
ureba muziki ugiye kubona
He's more interested in you.
uyu mugabo yagukunze
Like this game.
uyu mukino ndawukunze
You do like games, don't you?
oh ndabibona wakunze umukino
The game is not over.
gusa umukino ntawe urarangira ikigabo nacyo kibura ubwenge usanga ibigabo nk'ibi by'ibigizi bya nabi babitega agakobwa bikabura ubwenge
A symbol of power.
ikimenyetso cya dragoni ikimenyetso cy'imbaraga ahari urebe
Buena suerte.
buena suerte ukeze
Game's not over.
It's in the vase.
we icyo kibumbano kiraza kuza mu ivasi kiraza kuba kibitse mu ivasi
Everyone's in position.
nako ya drive iraza ngo kibiri mu ivaze niyo magambo yamubwiye.
Hi.
You're alive.
Yeah.
Bloody hell.
It's good to see you, Mace. Come here.
Urebe.
My God. I don't understand.
Hey, Kadish. I'd like to...
Khadija dore ngaro. Kiri hano. Khadija ndashaka kumureba njyenyine. Iyo kubitanye no wa musuri yarazi ko yapfuye.
What's going on?
Bimeze bite?
Things changed.
Ibintu byarahindutse. Agasobanuye umusore twatangiye filime twe tuzi ko yapfuye ni muzima.
Welcome. 欢迎各位光临。Thank you all for.
Mwese mwakoze kuza hano.
I will be hosting tonight's auction.
Look at
Uyu munsi ndaza kuba cyamunara ari njye uyoboye. Cyasi muri kagurisha. Ni cyamunara. Muri kibinono muyita mupiganwa mugura ati ngikize haya ngikize haya.
We begin tonight's auction with this Chinese painting from the.
Tugiye guhera kuri ano mataburo y'abashinwa. Ibisigi by'abashinwa.
in possession.
You have 8,000.
Where's Mace?
Mace ari hehe? Mace wibuke yahuye n'uwo batangiranye yarazi ko yapfuye kandi ngo yari na sheri w'ukuntu.
I've lost access to the network.
Access kuri network ndayibuze baramukupiye.
I'm compromised. Someone's hacking me back. I need to reposition. Baseline my gear. Give me 15 seconds. Do not move.
17,018.
Kiye kwimuka nundi bashobora kuba bamvumbuye. Muvaho muri. Bano bahita bicara bwingo nibava aho bari.
Saying how do we need to make a move? No, she said to stay here.
Tuzano cyenda ariko aratubwiye ngo tugume hano.
You're working with murderers?
You're not? How many people have the CIA assassinated? How many states have they toppled? How many wars have they started?
Usigaye ukora n'abantu bashaka gutangiza intambara. Wese nawe ukorera CIA uzi intambara CIA yagiye itangiza. Ubutegetsi yahiritse.
How does it feel?
Umva umeze uti. Usuri yarahindutse bose bakorana n'umukobwa yarazi ko yapfuye.
How does it feel to be free?
Ese urumva bimeze bite ku muntu yibuhuye?
This item is a 13th century vase.
Ikindi tuzanye ni vase yo mu kinyejana cya 13 yo mu bayuwandi yo mu bwami bwabo. Ino drive nakonokera kuyibuka. Tugiye gutangira gupiganwa. Turahera ku bihumbi 100 by'idolari. Ya drive.
110.
Ibihumbi 130 ibihumbi 140 ibihumbi 140. Yagasana. Khadija wagarutse.
I can't get in the lights.
Nageze kuri kamera ku rumuri sindi kurubona.
Getting started though.
The hardest thing about all this, Mace, was
Ikintu kigoye muri ibi nuko natekerezaga ko nazongera kukubona. Bega.
This is an angle. I can't believe you're trying to work me.
Ntago nakwizera kuri kugerageza kumbeshya.
Oh, you didn't want me to see you in Paris, did you?
Ntago wifuza ko nkubona tukiri muri Paris, turi Paris.
I did that for you.
It's for me. Uh-huh.
Uh-huh.
Without any regard to how it would make me feel.
How did it make you feel?
Urumva umeze ute?
Bitter.
Ndumva meze nabi nashaririwe.
Still wearing this ring.
Uracyambaye ya mpeta nakwambitse. Wa musuri twe tuzwepfuye.
100 mil.
Umva ipiganwa rigeze kuri miliyoni zisaga 100. Hari abari kujijisha bagapiganirwa muri sare bavuga ibihumbi 100. Kumbe bari gupiganirwa ku ikoranabuhanga. Ubwo ni 100 rihagaze bahereye kuri miliyoni 100. Yeah.
I need this back.
Kano ndagakeneye kukansubiza. Subirana kaga kufeke.
Always such a tough guy.
Iteka buri gihe wigira umuntu ukomeye, sibyo?
Okay, keep her here out of the way. Agrisha kuyaye from wasafogda ipusinzi vapoyata.
Uriya mukobwa mwitondere nubwo afite isura nziza imbere afite umuriro mwinshi muri we. Mukobwa musubiza inyuma. Che! Sto! Hey! Kuramenyo y'ikigamo. Bebe! Mace! Wa CIA nirwanye. Mace! Ikigamo kiraniga. Yeah! Hey! Go! Asi! Ikigamo gikubita ibihumbi 300. Bari gupiganirwa ya drive. Imwivaze nako bayishyira ku karubanda ngo bavuga ngo ni drive ikora ibi nibi. Abayizi barayizi imwivaze. Uri yusharindi uriya ni umuzimu. Wa musore bari bazi ko yapfuye ngo Agasobanuye. Kumbe bari kubesha aranga ibihumbi 100 ariko bari gupiganwa ku ikoranabuhanga bigeze muri miliyoni 200 na dufite kugira icyo dukora. Nimba drive iri muri iriya vase ushobora kuba nayishyiraho tag ya sinyatire ku buryo bayitwara hose nayibona.
Do I have...
nimba irimo hariya mbega ashobora kuba yayishyiraho akantu kari buze gutuma yikurura ariko biraguye. Miliyoni zigeze muri 300 bapiganwa ku ikoranabuhanga. Miliyoni 300 online. Kiye gusatira iriya vase kugira agomba gusatira iriya vase kugira ngo Peter icyo ashaka kibonye. Yego nakibonye. Miliyoni zigeze muri 500. Kimwe cya kabiri cya miliyari bamaze kukigiramo cyo kugura iriya.
You're not close enough, Grassy.
Ntabwo wegereye neza iriya drive yegere nkwereke.
Going twice.
Kabiri. Iriya drive batarayitwara. Kwabwa inaga agasakoshi imbere. Urebe. Kubita inyundo.
Got it.
Ibyo nabikoze shizo tagi. Ese ngo bari butwara iriya drive wose araza kuba habona. Ngo ni Rupita yagarutse yitwa Khadija. Uyu ngatahanye umwana.
Actually,
umva,
she's with me.
Uyu mukobwa ninjye wamwizaniye. Suzi ko byateye se. Turi drive ngo barayitwara. Bayikubiso tag ayiri kujyose yari kwareba.
I'm on a balcony first hall southeast of you.
Jendi kuri balcony muri embo ryo hepfo ari kubera cyamunara kumisa imbere. Bano barabisa. Sikana. Go. Mace. Mugabo. Karovatira kubitisha murambe babwira. Rebe. Ziri kumujinga. Bamuniga n'ifuru napfuye. Rebe. Turi drive ngiyo. Bayikuramo. Mugabo ari inshira.
Show the people at home what they want.
Katwereka abantu bari mu rugo icyo batsindiye.
500 million is a lot of money, even for the guy I represent.
Miliyoni 500 ni nyinshi no kumugabo mpagarariye hano.
The package is in an office 2 halls away.
Agapfunyika kari muri office ya kabiri duciye muri koridoro.
The seller has an army.
Uwayiguza afite igisirikare kije kimuherekeje. Urebe. Bana basa hano. Acetone, hydrogen peroxide. Ibi ngibi biri bihuje bibyara iturika. Bana bize na shimi. Baza amakemicals uvanga ibintu bigaturika.
We will require the full fee before you leave.
Biraza gusaba kwishyura amafaranga yose mbere yo gusohokana agapfunyika watsindiye nabateguye ipiganwa ryo kugapiganirwa. Umwana arabanza hanavanga ya produit chimique bavanze yohereza hakurikiriye mu bantu. Urebe yohereza mu bantu. Fire! Bano bikangamo. Cyo ni biki? To. Kibanda kuruhara. Hasi. Kibanda biranga buretse. Utwe barawumena. Kobwa sana uruhara ni rwo rubashuka. Fata ikiwarata muryango. Uruhara. Ndebere. Yeah. Kobwa bahita bafatira intwaro hano bihuse cyane. Ira drive nani igomba kujya. Yeah.
启动西北通的安全系统，封锁这个区。
muri majyaruguru iburasirazuba bwa korodoro ruguru turebe n'iki kiriyo.
有人听到爆炸，报警了。
Riraturika bararipotinze polisi iri mu nzira iza. Murabeho. Ukabita comora drive arayitwaye. Abashinwa bari bayikuyigurisha barayibatwaye. Yeah. Polisi ngiri mu nzira iza. Hano arabaje kugura ibishushanyo bisanzwe koko ariko hari kugurishirizwamo ibindi bintu bizwi n'ababizi. Bano batarajya kuri. Yeah.
Drop your weapons.
Shyira intwaro zanyu hasi.
Both of you.
Mwembi.
Fangxia wuqi.
Namwe mushyire hasi. Chouke. Hebe.
Go.
Mucho.
Go.
Mucho. Hebe.
Nick! I'm going with you.
Gerata turajyana Nick. turijyanira. Yeah. Khadija.
The only place I'll join you is hell.
Hano honyine nzakwiyungaho ni ikuzimu ahita mwambura imbunda.
Shoot me.
Ndasa.
And I'll have him fire into the crowd.
Nanjye mbwira abantu barase hano mu baturage benshi.
Can't do it, can you?
Ntago wandasira mu bantu. Hey!
What happened to you?
Hey! Shinzwe umutekano mu Bushinwa bavayo. Urebe.
Get in.
Mwinjire mu modoka tugende wa mugore wari uyoboye icyamunara. Nabwiye ati mwinjire mu modoka tugende. Urebe.
I can treat her wounds where we're going. And where?
Ndaza kuvura ibikomere byawe aho tugiye.
My name is Lim Mishing. I work for the ministry. It's nice to finally meet.
Urebe, yarabwiye ati ni byiza kuba twongeye guhura.
Easy. Yeah. Would anyone like tea?
Harushaka icyayi.
I have a wide assortment of herbs.
What the hell is going on?
Nibiki bijye mbere
We were hoping the CIA would secure the
twari tuzi ko CIA izarindira drive ipari.
didn't happen. It was essential we reclaim.
Tubonye bibananiye kuyirinda turayitwarira. Mwayihaye bagishyize mu boko mabi. Turayitwarira n'abashinwa. Papa.
My father convinced our bosses
Papa yumvishe ba boss bacu.
could be a larger opportunity.
Ko bino bishobora kuba amahirwe akomeye.
What kind of opportunity?
Amahirwe yahe? Mfi. Mukobwa zano.
I believe you met Piotr Kasan.
Ndakeka uyu mugabo mwahuye.
If he can disrupt oil production,
Nimba uyu mugabo ashobora kubangamira
his profits.
ikorwa rya peteroli mu burasirazuba bwo hagati.
Freelance from Dubai.
Uyu wari waje ni umugabo wigenga ukorera Dubai.
To pay for it.
Yari yiteguye kwishyura amafaranga ari yose kubwiriya mari.
For the Iranians.
Aba ni abagizi bane bo muri Iran.
This gentleman is international.
Uyu mugabo ni masinari mpuzamahanga.
In Central Africa.
Ariko ukorera cyane muri Central Africa.
There are many rogue players today.
Uyu munsi abagizi bane bose twabashe kubabona twari twarabuze.
Information on them.
Mbega uyu munsi wari umunsi mwiza wo kubakusanya amakuru.
Fishing expedition.
Mbega bivuze ngo bino byose mwabikoze mutegura kino cyamunara kugira ngo abagizi bane baze mu babone bose bo kwisi.
We sold them nothing.
Nta kintu twabagurishije ariko. Biki?
The drive is right here.
Drive iri hano twabagurishije drive itari ya nyayo. Mbega bateguye iriya cyamunara bavuga ngo drive izagurishwa bagira ngo abagizi bane bo kwisi bose bahaguruke baze none babagireho amakuru babona amasura yabo amakuru yose bayabakureho. Drive ya nyayo iri hano.
Max for that.
Max Gabe ku bikire mwaramwishe kubera ibi. Mumanura indege kubera ibi bintu. Oya.
Mark's dead.
Gabe ku bikire ni wamanuye indege mukimusigirira ya boro. Mukimusigirira drive ni wari umugambanyi. Arabyibuka. Arabibuka Gabe amubwira tugiye kuri miseri kuragenda ku giti cyawe. Nta bufasha CIA iri buguhe. Nari mbizi kuri buze kubikora wabikoze.
Before they could do more.
Gabi twamuhagaritse tumwambura tunamurasa tumwamburira ya drive mbere yuko amara abantu. Uyu mugabo witwa Elijah Clark.
For international talent.
Uyu mugabo ni utera inkunga ibikorwa by'iterabwoba byinshi byo hirya no hino ku isi.
The drive is safe now.
Ubu drive iratekanye hano.
It's safe.
N'isi iratekanye.
You'll all be going home soon.
Mwese vuba murataha iwanyu.
It's done.
Byabaye.
Told you I get it.
Yeah.
Nakubwiye ngo drive ndi buze kuyibona. Yayizaniye Elijah kumbi yazanye ni pirate twe turabizi.
Of course, you'll come.
Umugabane wanjye kuko umugabane wawe. Urebe. Umugabo akura y'imbunda. Elijah Clark.
We had a deal.
Twarumvikanye.
I got you the drive.
Ntuzane drive?
You didn't.
Ntayo wazanye.
You got me a decoy. A $500 million paperweight.
Watumye nishyura miliyoni 500 bazirira idihu.
They must have swapped.
Bura babihinduye. Bahita bavuna.
They must have swapped it.
Babihinduye. Hey! Baby. Yeah, hey. Hakunin.
Hey.
Hey, it's me.
Hey, ni njyewe.
Listen, I'm sorry I didn't call you.
Mbari ntabwo nigeze nguhamagara vuba.
It couldn't be helped. I don't know what else to say.
Ntabwo nari nzi ikindi nakubwira.
I just,
nyine.
you know, I just wanted to know you're okay.
Nashaka kumenya nimba umeze neza.
I'm fine.
Meze sawa.
I can handle myself.
Ngenzi kwiyita urabizi.
You couldn't?
Ntabwo navuze ko utabishoboye ariko.
Back.
Ndifata indege ya mbere nza.
Fast I can wrap up and get on that plane.
Ndikuzinga vuba mfata indege ngaruke.
I didn't mean it like that.
No, I get it.
Ndabyumva.
I'm sorry.
Mbabarire sheri. Ni Rupita na sheri. Na ba Rupita bagira basheri.
I'm looking forward to being home too.
Nanjye ndikwifuza kuza mu rugo shonjo ben. Sweetie.
I'll see you soon.
Tubonane vuba.
See you soon.
Tubonane vuba uyu ni sheri wa Rupita. Kasa. Bite mama basi burumwe yatangiye guhamagara famiye ye. Hano wari witwa Mace ubundi ni utagira famiye ni utagira uhamagara.
Ya va mamá para la casa.
Mama agiye kugaruka mu rugo. Turashaka kugaruka ni papa. Turagukeneye hano. Yo. Byo birabaye.
You were dreaming.
Wari uri kurota. Urutaga ni wa mudage.
That dream.
Kandi warutaga ibintu bibi.
Your dream was about how you didn't see the signs, right?
Wari kurota impamvu utigeze ubona ikimenyetso. Warutaga ni Mace.
Flies, it's hard to know what.
Wabayeho ubuzima bw'ikinyoma umusore akubeshya ngo murakundana ari umugambanyi uwo ni Mace.
I thought I knew.
Natekereje ko nzi byose. Umuntu araguhinduka.
My whole life.
Nari muri control igihe cyanjye cyose ubuzima bwanjye bwose.
Took care of myself because I didn't have anybody.
Nta wundi muntu nari mfite.
I got used to that life. Made me
ubwo ubuzima narabumenyereye.
Really good.
Byangize byiza.
This life.
Muri ubuzima.
I'm sorry you were betrayed.
Mbare kuwagambaniwe.
I know what that feels like.
Nzi uko bimera. Guhemukirwa. Gasore karamugambaniye. Kumanira ibyo bintu byawe.
Maybe you should.
Nyamara ukeneye kunywa ngufu ushanga ibibazo bigabanye. Wowe musore arakwanga ukicara utari kunywa ngufu. Hakura amizo uzi ko ari byo ngufu isa n'imitima. Bamuha akantu kisa na mitima ngufu isa na ya mitima yangiritse iki n'iki. Ngufu buri ikora nk'umuti. Hi. Katururi. Mukobwa yanyweye